Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and welcome to another Confessions of a Paper Addict Cutfiles design team layout. I've got two cut files I'm going to work with today. I apologize, I cut these out when my blade needed to be cleaned, so they're a little fuzzy, but for me and what I want to use them for, it works out. I don't necessarily need them perfect. So we're going to use, this is the Egg Trio 2, maybe? I think it says. I can't even read my own handwriting. I will make sure to have them linked down below. I think this is the Egg Trio 2. So here are two eggs. We're going to use them to create like a pattern on the background with some sprays. And then I'm going to I have Bunny 2, which is a title cut file. The word bunny. And there's this cute little bunny silhouette that goes in there for the U. And we've got the two things for the B. So my plan is to almost create like an Easter basket using this burlap paper and have these eggs look like they're sitting in it, and then using them after I spray them also to be sitting in my basket, and those will kind of be behind my photos. So more of an embellishment or a background design part, and then this bunny part will be, this cut file will be part of my title. I haven't decided for sure if I want to back it or what I want to do, but I figured I would use some bright, fun colors. So I really want to use, this is kind of like my inspiration for the bright colors I want to use, but I don't know if I can actually use this. It might be, I don't know where I would use it. It might be too bright. It might be too bright. So I am going to, the plan is just to use this beautiful green and spritz behind it, but I'm going to kind of make this a basket. So I'm going to cut it into like the shape of a basket. I'm not sure how well that's going to go. I might, I was just going to freehand it, but I might have to kind of, I'm going to go see if Virginia has a cut file. She might. I'm going to go check out my other cut files first. And then I might just freehand just an open basket in this burlap. We might just freehand it. We'll see. I haven't decided yet. I have ideas, but I haven't decided plans. I do know, however, that I'm going to take these eggs and layer them and spritz the background with different colors and layering these on. And then I'm going to layer them on after they're all spritzed behind. And they will be part of my background with these eggs in a basket, which is the plan. And have the word bunny. Anyway, so that's my plan. Let's see if we can execute this. So I will be right back. Okay, I figured out what I wanted to do, and if you hear a noise, my cutting machine is currently cutting right now. So I've got the Egg Trio 2 that we are going to create a beautiful background. I've got Bunny 2, new release, that we are going to have a title. I am currently cutting out a basket that I manipulated from the Bunny Basket 2 from last year, April's release, that I'm cutting out of craft cardstock, and I will back with this burlap. So that'll be on down here. So we will have a basket of eggs, our title, and then this lovely paper is going to go down here under our basket and on the sides of our basket, so you'll see it's going to be a very bright, vibrant layout. Not subtle and pastel like a lot of Easter things are. So we are going to create a background still using these on this green cardstock. We're going to do some shimmers. I want to do some Well Blue Me Down. I think some pink. Let's see, which one do I want to do? Do I want to do cotton candy? I don't know how well the cotton candy will show up on this green, but it should work actually quite well. This colorings, and it's gonna be already quite green, so I don't need to worry about that. And then I might do an orange. An orange would be good. Practice What You Peach isn't really what I want. I want more of like an orange. Where is... I think I have an orange. The yellow won't show up very well on this green cardstock. We're just making it super bright, super vibrant. Oh yeah, freshly squeezed. We're gonna do it one at a time. So let me get my spraying box. This is gonna work out. It's gonna probably be a hot mess, but it's gonna work out. That's what we're saying. Okay. So I'm gonna start with this egg. And we're gonna put it like this. And we're gonna do the orange. Okay? Okay. And then what we'll get is sorry, our lovely basically masked area, which will be in the background. And I'm gonna let this egg dry. And now this egg will be partially, we'll do the blue. So the egg itself will be blue, but the background will be partially blue, partially orange. So it's gonna be more like a shadow effect, but I'm loving that so far. That looks cool. And the last one will be pink. And I've got cotton candy. Is that what I decided? Yes, cotton candy. And then we'll layer these on top as well. Okay. So the background's not going to be as vibrant as it could be just because we already have a green cardstock. But it's okay. It's still going to shimmer in the colors that we're wanting. So we're going to let that dry. And it's going to be fabulous. I was going to warn you that this is going to be kind of a crazy layout. All right, while we let that dry, I'm going to back my basket. This is the one photo I have from this year. I don't even have the thing on it. Ah! Oh, I did write it. Whew, I wrote it down. From 2015. It's like the only photo I have of Easter of 2015. So... we're doing fun stuff with it because it's the only photo. So I will back my basket with that burlap paper real quick. And when we come back, hopefully that background will be dry. I'll start assembling and you'll see where my crazy brain is going. All right, we'll be back. Okay, my paper has been dried and flattened. I thought I would bring in paper to mat it on. I brought in this other bright green, thinking that would work, which it might, or black. Because, here, this is what our plan is. Let's just lay everything on there. I want those eggs visible. And then we'll decide what we like, right? kind of like it on the checkered, but I also like then a little pop of green on the outside. Let me grab my letters. I honestly wasn't sure how this was gonna look. When I went to bed last night, I was skeptical that it was gonna turn out. But I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. We'll put the little glue those down. And I cut 2 strips of this. I thought about putting this up here. Still might. And down here. I mean, it's a lot going on, but I like it. What do you guys think, huh? Did I trim those down wrong? I might have. Do we like the plaid? I kind of like the plaid behind it. But I kind of like the green. I kind of like both. I might do both. I think I gotta trim my bunny. But yeah, this is what, and then I'm gonna do the word basket in these pink right here. I feel like it's a lot going on, but I really like it. All right, I'm gonna trim this down just a tiny bit more. And then trim this and gut it so that I don't waste this plaid paper. And then glue everything down. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'm just looking at it trying to figure out, like, is there anything, do I want to back these in white so they're white eggs? But no, I kind of like that they're just like that and that I have the weird colors behind it because it kind of brings out all the, yeah. All right, let me glue everything down and then we'll see if we need to add anything else. I'll be right back. All right, getting things glued down. We're almost there. Of course, I had stuff go on crooked and I can't get it straight, so it's just gonna have to stay that way. All right. I popped up the insides of the letters, which I love. I added my basket with these pink alphas. I think these were a Chamel one maybe from something. I don't remember. And then I pulled out, I have a bunch of these Freckled Fawn chipboard that I think I'm going to scatter around. I don't know if I'll do these red ones though. Yeah. No, let's see. If I just do snapshot, remember, and then get rid of that one. Home. There you go. And it had these gold glittery hearts in there, which I really, really like. They are self-adhesive, but the adhesive doesn't stick very well. So we're gonna glue all those down and we're gonna call it good. So what, like I had said, this one's really not for the faint of heart. Lots of crazy color, lots of color that kind of maybe isn't the most appealing, especially with that spritz, but I like that it changes the background. I like that it kind of brings these colors up that are in this pattern paper, and then that's what I matted my photo with. So I did manipulate a basket from Virginia, but that's only because I don't know why I thought I was going to freehand a basket. No. So I did do that, but she has so many cut files that are adorable bunnies and eggs in a basket all ready to go, so you don't have to do this like I did. But they are fabulous. So they will be linked down below. I will have a link to her shop and to the cut files I used, as well as the Facebook group, which is where you're going to want to go check out and do the challenge for this month. It was super fun. It's a sketch, so make sure you go check it out. Don't forget to get the freebie. I hope you all had a happy Easter. And yeah, I'm just going to finish gluing on these little chipboard pieces in my little clusters. I added a couple of the foam like star things from the alpha sheet. Oh, there's one more, which I'll add right here. Just to kind of bring that pink foam color around more places and to use them up, because it's the whole goal of, I feel like this year, is just to use up my stuff. Use up as much of my stuff as possible. I really like these Freckle Fawn chipboard pieces. So, and they were all very similar colors. Maybe not the exact same, but close. I really like my eggs in my basket. The background, meh. I could take or leave it maybe. I debated trying it out with a white piece of cardstock, but I like all the color too, though, at the same time. So, I don't know. It's staying now, isn't it? Sure is. Well, let me get these glued down, and I'll let you guys go. There will be some close-ups right after this. Thank you again so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and we'll see you next time. Bye.